Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First thing I'm going to address, I have gotten so many messages and comments asking for my opinion on the whole drama with the Deal Queen and Quick Lots. This person said, have you heard about the drama with the Deal Queen and Quick Lots? I'm dying to know your opinion. This person said, oh, there's new drama brewing. Nicole state what? The Deal Queen is the latest scandal. Okay, so I kind of have, but I kind of haven't. I don't know. I guess she lied about being affiliated with them or something. She's not someone who I follow just because of things that have happened and I've seen and heard about in the past. I don't know the drama with her, but I feel like she's gonna try to take a Pretty Bone approach with her drama. If you guys don't know, Pretty Bone, last year, or when, I don't even know when the hell that was, but she got caught because she has a company, or had a company, that was using bots to share people's closets, and she got caught. And then she kind of used her pregnancy, having a baby, as a way out. And I feel like the Deal Queen is trying to do that too, or is going to do that. Be like, oh guys, I'm so pregnant right now, I can't deal with this. And it's okay, yes, that's a valid thing. Pregnancy is crazy, but deal with your shit. Just deal with it. You can't be an influencer and pick and choose the shit that you want to address and stuff. No, it doesn't work like that. Otherwise, you'll get canceled. I don't know. People are like, oh, cancel culture is the worst. It's but is it? If somebody fucks up multiple times, they should be canceled. Absolutely. I don't get why people don't like cancel culture, because people are canceled for little things and they should be forgiven. Is that what it is? I never understood when someone's like, oh my God, cancel culture is the worst. It is just the worst. It's no, if somebody fucks up, they should be held responsible for their actions. And yes, absolutely canceled if it's been, multiple times, like a Nicole State type thing, So yeah, that's my thoughts on that. I don't really know her too much, so I don't really have much to say about it except what I just said. Okay, next question is, how often do you relist items? I have heard that that's a must. Thoughts? So honestly, I rarely relist items, rarely. That's something that I'm gonna try to be better at, because I have heard that it's good, it can boost sales. So yeah, I'm gonna try to start being better at that. I know that Vendu has a relist, delist, relist option now, so I'm gonna check that out. But yeah, that's something that I don't do often, if at all, honestly. I know, right? Am I even a real reseller if I don't delist and relist? Next question. Hello, why do you prefer Murkari over eBay? So I have a video. Oh no, I don't talk about eBay in that video. I have a video comparing Poshmark and Murkari, but yes, I do prefer Murkari over eBay. I don't know. I mean, I could make a video talking all about it. eBay is just intimidating. I know the audience is way, way, way bigger, but I don't know. I just don't. I don't know. I'd have to gather my thoughts and really sit down and think about why I don't like eBay. So comment down below and let me know if you want to see that video. I guess I could compare all three platforms, Poshmark, Murkari, and eBay. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see that. Okay, next question. Hello, I actually have a question about offers if you do a Q&A. Do you wait until you have multiple likes before sending offers, or do you send an offer as you receive a like? I go back and forth because I think if someone sees the offer was made to multiple people, they may have more of a tendency to buy. Would love your thoughts. I do both. I try to do my best to send an offer right when somebody likes it. I give them 5 minutes, because I feel like they're in the moment, they like that item, they're more apt to purchase it, perhaps. I know some people like things just to like things. I know some people like things to, maybe wait till payday and, save it for later. Yeah, the majority of the time I send an offer as soon as somebody likes it. And then, like you said too, it is good to kind of build up likes and then send an offer, because it does kind of create that sense of urgency. That happened to me the other day, actually. There was this Nike sweatshirt. It was, I don't know if I can find it. It was last week. I don't know if I can find it. But it was a vintage Nike sweatshirt, and it was listed for $150. And then I got that notification that said, somebody just made an offer, hurry, whatever the notification says. And I'm kind of but I didn't buy that sweatshirt. I ended up buying a different sweatshirt. It was the North Face Gucci collaboration. I'm so excited to get that. It's going to be probably my most worn sweatshirt. So I guess in summary, I like to send offers most of the time right away if I have the time. If I'm not, doing something. I mean, it literally takes 2 seconds to send an offer. Ooh, I got a little rant. At the end of this video, so stay tuned. So yeah, it literally takes 2 seconds to send an offer. So I usually do that most of the time, and then you know, if nothing happens, I like to build up likes and then send an offer to create that sense of like urgency, like FOMO, you know, right? FOMO, is that the acronym, right? Right? I'm getting good with acronyms the kids use nowadays. Okay, last question. Hey girl, I've come across a few items that don't photograph well in that their true color doesn't come through. Example, a certain teal green color shows up blue on camera. Do you have any advice, ideas to remedy this? I'm using iPhone and softbox light set on a cooler setting. Thanks for your help, Jenny. Okay, I've been, first of all, making YouTube videos for 12 years. I've been reselling for 2.5, and I still cannot get lighting just right. There's always going to be those pieces that, you know, are just a weird color or have like, you know, sequins, or just there's always going to be those ones that just don't photograph. And I really have no advice other than to try different things. Maybe try taking picture in a natural light. I don't know if you have like a big window, taking it like do a flat lay near a window, or putting a mannequin in front of a window and doing it that way. But yeah, I struggle with lighting. I do. Actually, my advice is just to keep trying, use multiple lights. You know, you can like mess with the settings. Lightroom is a good app to use, you know, kind of tweak things that way. But that's all I got. That's all I got for the advice. Just know you're not alone in the struggles with lighting, because it's a struggle. I posted on Instagram last night. I went to the thrift store yesterday and I found 2 pairs of Lululemon shorts. I struggle finding the names of Lululemon items. Like, I know obviously, you know, the more popular ones. Lulu Fanatics is a great website, but it is so overwhelming because Lululemon has like literally hundreds and hundreds of shorts, hundreds and hundreds of different types of tank tops and leggings. It's crazy. So yeah, so trying to find like a style name on that website is pretty difficult, at least for me. Like, I just get so overwhelmed. I'm like, oh my gosh. I wish there was a better way to like sort things. Like, you can sort them by the names, but you can't sort them by like colors or prints. I wish you could sort by colors or prints first, but there's no way to do that. Anyway, I posted on Instagram and I asked if somebody could help me out with identifying 2 pairs of Lulu shorts, and I got a lot of responses from you guys, so thank you. The majority of people were offering to help me for free, but I did get a few people that were like, yeah, I can help you, but I charge a small fee. I'm like, what? For real? Like, I got 2 pairs of shorts. If you're such a Lulu expert, you can probably just look at it and know. You don't have to do like research. So like, what do you charge for literally like a minute of your time? Like, I don't know. I thought that was kind of like, okay. I mean, I could understand if I have like a shit ton of things and, you know, some of them are like older, but it was literally 2 pairs of shorts. And yeah, I don't know. That was just kind of weird to me. Like I said, the majority of people were willing to help. Actually, my girl Lizzie, she helped me figure out one of the style names. I don't know if you watch my videos, but if you do, thank you. I appreciate you. So yeah, so she figured out one of them and I was able to figure out the other one. But yeah, I don't know. I'm curious what these people would have charged me. Like, I get like, oh yes, your time is money. Yes, yes. But one of them DM'd me. She wasn't even following me. So like, do I get charged for the time it took her to like follow me and then she sent the message first? Like, does she charge for that? Like, I don't know. It's just very weird. And I get it, you know, hustle, you want to make money. Yes, I get it. But I don't know. I was just kind of like really curious what she would have charged me. Like $1, like $10, like what? I don't. Maybe I should message her back. The person that messaged me and didn't follow me, she says she charges $3 an item to tell you what you got and how to price it. Details in my profile. Yeah, and I follow this person. Oh yeah, it says right in her profile. $3 an item. Yeah, I mean, I'll keep my $3 because my girl Lizzie helped me out. But yeah, I mean, okay, $3. I mean, that's not... That just seems, I don't know. I'm just going to stop talking about it because I was just kind of taken aback. I'm like, okay. Again, I can understand if I have lots of pieces and you have to do like a lot of research. But if these people are like really Lulu experts, then they can just look at something and tell me what it is. You know, like in the time it took you to DM me and follow me, you could have just told me what it was, you know? Like, it's weird because like I'm like always willing to help people out, like answer DMs and stuff. I'm not like, this DM has gone on for 7 minutes, that'll be $20, you know? Like I don't know. And I get your time is money, but like literally a minute, like you charge $3 a minute. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I'm not like knocking anyone. I was just kind of like, oh, okay. But again, the majority of you guys were willing to help for free, which I truly appreciate. Thank you again, Lizzie. Thank you. I know people are gonna be like, Vanessa, you're a bitch. Their time is worth money. Okay, yes, but like, again, I don't feel like it would have been like hours upon hours of research, you know? Like I feel like they would have just looked at it and known what it was. So like, how do you put a price on like literally a minute or maybe 5 minutes at most, you know? Like, yeah, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. That's it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.